Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create your own Flash USDT tokens using Ethereum Remix, covering the latest updates step by step. You can use these tokens on gambling platforms like Stake or 1xBet or any other platform. To create a Flash token, you'll need some Ethereum, your MetaMask wallet to cover gas fees, otherwise the transactions won't go through. Let's get started. First, open the official Remix Ethereum website. Click on create new file and name it USDT.sol. Then copy the full smart contract code from the video description and paste it into your file. Make sure you paste everything correctly without missing any part. Next, compile the contract. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select version 0.8.30. Make sure you select version 0.8.30. Other versions may not work properly. Click compile. Once it compiles successfully, you'll see a green check mark. Now go to the deploy and run transactions tab. In the environment dropdown, choose browser extension. Then select MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Once connected, your balance will be shown here. Now fill in the token details. Token name, Tether. Token symbol, USDT. Then click deploy. Adjust the gas fee. Set it to 1 GAI or higher to help avoid failed transactions. After confirming, wait a few seconds for the contract to deploy. Once done, close MetaMask. Your contract is now created successfully. Now go to the deployed contract section. From here, open the newly created contract address by clicking Open in Explorer. You can check it. It's live on the blockchain now. Next, copy the contract address and use it to add liquidity. Open your MetaMask wallet and send 0.05 Ethereum to your contract address. Click continue and confirm the transaction. Wait a bit for the balance to update. Refresh the Etherscan page to check whether the balance has been updated or not. Now go back to Remix. Click Start Function. Then click Transact. Enter the gas fee same as before, like 1 GAI, and confirm the transaction. This step will start the process of minting the tokens. Once completed, your tokens will be generated in the contract. Withdraw the tokens to your wallet. Click Withdraw. Then click Transact. Enter the gas fee. Always write 1 GAI and confirm the transaction. Follow the same steps as before and wait for the process to complete. Wait to complete the transaction. Finally, open your MetaMask wallet to check your balance. You should now see 50,000 Flash USDT tokens in your wallet. You can transfer these tokens to Stake, 1xBet, Trust Wallet, or other platforms. Feel free to contact me on Telegram at Flash USDT Creator for assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more blockchain content.